We have heard it over and over. People trying to sign up for health coverage, but glitches in the website made it nearly impossible. That left hundreds, if not thousands of people without coverage starting the first of this year. ABC 2 News' Amy Aubert spent the day at two separate hearings in Annapolis, and on one of them, the Lieutenant Governor is calling emergency legislation.
According to Lieutenant Governor Anthony Brown, between several hundred and upwards of 5,000 people have tried logging in, signing up, and reviewing plans. But because of major glitches in the website come January 1st, they weren't covered.
On October 1st and in the weeks following the launch, I was deeply disappointed and frustrated that the exchange was significantly underperforming for thousands of Maryland families who need coverage.
Brown is calling it emergency legislation and says it gives everyone who tried to sign up and were unable another chance at health care. You might remember a story we told you last month about John Banks. He's tried signing up for coverage since day one, but because of the glitches, even the night before the deadline was a failure.
The way it looks right now, unless some miracle takes place, we will not have health care the 1st of January. And I'm just heartsick about it.
It's people like Banks who could benefit from the new law. The four providers agreed to make coverage plans retroactive to January 1 for those eligible. But some delegates had questions, like how to verify who actually tried to log on and sign up and failed, and what to do about the money spent on a website that ultimately failed.
Because if it was me, if someone's doing work in my kitchen and they didn't complete the job, one or two things are going to happen. Either you're going to pay me my money or you're going to do that job. I'm going to call some people and take care of the situation.
One, the contractors complete the work that they're set out to do, and that where there are damages, that if we can recover, and we will aggressively seek to do so, we will.
Brown says they've cleared up thousands of IT issues with the site and have removed and brought in new contractors. He says while they can verify those who previously tried to sign up, it isn't 100% accurate. This concerns some delegates who say people could now be covered who initially had no intention. In Annapolis, Amy Aubert, ABC 2 News.
Both the Senate and the House had similar questions for Brown. Lieutenant Governor plans to release an executive summary and an audit on the spending put toward the state health care website.